Welcome to NAILBA's ID Network. I'm your host, Katie Falinger, and here on the ID video channel, you'll see exclusive interviews from changemakers and key voices within independent brokerage distribution. NAILBA CEO Dan LaBert recently sat down with Kelly Anonson, Director of Industry Firm Relations at Principal Financial Group. Take a look.
Kelly, talk a little bit about the commitment to independent distribution and specifically the brokerage channel.
Sure. So we remain very committed to our independent distribution intermediaries. We're very focused on growing our life insurance business and in fact have grown at double digits over the last 5 years, which as we know, that's outpacing a essentially flat industry.
Yep.
So we're very excited about that. But we really approach the market in a different way. We approach the market not trying to take market share from competitors, but we're actually trying to work with them. We don't focus on product and pricing or illustrations. We're really trying to drive solutions. We're one of the leaders in the business market. So in fact, about 60% of our distribution, our life insurance sales, are in the business market.
So grow the pie, not necessarily take more slices within the pie, the same size pie.
Yes.
So the NAILBA ID Network has an outreach of 210,000 independent advisors, 1,400 broker general agencies, and just about everyone who's anyone in the independent distribution space. What do you want them to know is new for 2020? Where is the push for that the advisors and the principals should focus on with you?
Sure. For 2020, a couple things I would highlight. I'd first highlight our investment in technology. At the end of last year, we launched our Principal Life Online, which is a digital end-to-end solution from app submission through underwriting through policy delivery, obviously making it more efficient and easier to do business with us. The second thing I would highlight is we just rolled out our guaranteed issue term early this year. We've had a robust guaranteed issue platform for our permanent products for a number of years, but this is exciting. It fits really well with our business market. There's only a couple carriers that offer it. It's for 25 lives. We've already seen some quoting for some executive bonus and some key person needs, so it's fitting really well.
Plays well into the transparency and being the fiduciary for the client.
For sure.
So I want to touch on the efforts in the community. I think a lot of carriers spend a ton of time and talent and treasure on where they're putting, where they're supporting their communities with their charitable efforts. If you could expand on that, that'd be great.
Sure. We have a robust charitable giving program at Principal. We have our Principal Foundation. We have Principal Charity Classic. We've been a long-standing partner of the United Way. It really comes from the top down at Principal. Actually, in 2019, our employees donated more than $6 million and volunteered 55,000 hours of their time to people around the world. So I think it's important to highlight for Principal that, you know, we not only focus on doing business, but we also focus on doing good in the communities where we live and work.
You make a continued investment. Principal makes a continued investment in NAILBA every single year. There's never been one NAILBA annual meeting where senior leadership from Principal have not been present. I'd like to know why. We feel the annual meeting is still and always will be the place where independent brokerage meets, but I'd like to know a little bit from the viewpoint of Principal.
Sure. Well, obviously it's an important meeting for us, and we do usually take a fairly decent-sized team there to attend. But you know, it's a great opportunity for us, a really efficient way to see a lot of our really important distribution partners. We talk about business planning and you know, focus on the next year. So it's a good opportunity to see a lot of customers, have those meetings, that focus time together. You know, but also it's the fact that we want to continue to invest in the industry and support those who drive our industry forward.
Well, thank you very much for Principal's continued investment, and thank you for being with us.
Thank you.
Watch for new videos in the ID Network every week at nailba.org. And be sure to follow us on social media. We've linked all the places you can find NAILBA below. And don't forget to save the date for the next annual meeting. NAILBA 39 happens November 18th through the 20th in Hollywood, Florida. We've got those details for you below as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back here soon.